gutters do an important job directing water away from your home. But if water's spilling over the sides, foundation damage, landscaping erosion, and siding stains can quickly become costly problems. That's where splash guards come in. These simple, affordable additions are installed at the corners of your gutters to help channel heavy rainwater into the downspouts, not over your roofline. When heavy storms hit, water tends to overflow. A splash guard acts like a traffic guide, keeping that water flowing properly and protecting your home's foundation, walkways, and flower beds. At the Brothers that just do gutters, we install durable, custom-fit splash guards that blend with your existing system, improving performance and peace of mind in just one visit. Want smarter water management and better protection for your home? Give us a call or visit our website today, because a little splash guard can make a big difference.